How do you customize Excel 2010 keyboard shortcuts? How do you customize Excel 2010 keyboard shortcuts? This article from Microsoft.com provides instructions for Microsoft Office 2010 but seems only apply to Word, not Excel. This URL. In Microsoft Office 2010. Click the File tab to open Backstage View, and then click Options. Click Customize ribbon and then, next to the Keyboard Shortcuts heading, click Customize. You can enter the new key combination here. Here's the dialog it points to shown in Word. But here's the same dialog shown in Excel. Notice it looks almost exactly the same but no keyboard shortcuts, Customize button. So how do you customize the keyboard shortcuts in Excel?
There are 3 different kinds of keyboard shortcuts I know of. One's like Ctrl-C for copy. One's like Alt-ESC for edit and GT, paste special and GT, values. A shortcut key combo you assign to your own macro. With number 1 I think only Word allows you to change these. For example, you can change the shortcut for bold from Ctrl-B to something else. I don't think Excel has ever allowed you to do this. Of course you can write a macro in Excel that changes the bold property and then assign a keyboard shortcut to it, but that really falls under number 3 above. You used to be able to do number 2 in Excel by going into Tools and GT, Customize and then changing the location of the ampersand. For example, you could change the name of the edit menu from AMP, edit to AMP, ZDIT, and the shortcut sequence in number 2 above would be changed to Alt-ZSV. The only way I know to do this now would be to change the toolbar name in VER. The old toolbars, File, Edit, etc. still exist behind the scenes in Excel 2007 and 2010 and can be accessed via code. With number 3 it's still the same as it was in earlier versions, just go into the macro dialog and change the shortcut in options. You only have the choice of Control and 1 key, I believe. With BER you can actually create longer combos like Ctrl-SHFDN, one of my favorites. I hope that helps.
You can assign a command, like Format Painter, to the Quick Access toolbar via the dialog shown above. Then you can use Alt plus a number, varies on the position of the program in the Quick Access toolbar, as a shortcut. For example, in the screenshot below, the Format Painter has been added to the Quick Access toolbar in the 7th place, so you can now call it via Alt 7.
To me, all above answers are unsatisfactory because they limit what combinations I can use as custom shortcuts or what actions I can target, or they require way too much work for something that should be simple. My solution is to use Auto Hotkey to translate my desired key combinations into the existing shortcuts that Outlook 2016, or Excel 2016 or what have you, expects for those actions. So for example, whenever I have an email selected and press INS, I want it to be marked as read, therefore I have the Auto Hotkey script replace that with A, Control Enter. Or whenever I press Control F, I want to go to the search box, DO, but Outlook expects A, Control E, for that, so I have the script send it A, Control E. The script looks like so. The hashtag #IFWinActive ensures these particular key press replacements only apply when the active Windows title ends with the string Outlook. The end is marked by the $sign, which works because I've enabled regular expression-based string matching mode above. Then I disable the active window title detection with the empty hashtag #IFWinActive at the end. Also, once the hashtag #IFWinActive is hit, I know exactly which window will receive the keys I'm sending, so I don't have to do anything special beyond a simple send and LT, keys and GT, in response to each real key press that is to be replaced.
The only real way is to create a macro that does what you want and assign a key combination to it. It's relatively easy to record a macro to, say, paste values and then add a keyboard shortcut. If you record a macro, the first dialog allows you to assign a shortcut key, but only with the control key, and Excel doesn't tell you if you are overwriting an existing key combination, like Ctrl+C. Be sure to assign it to your personal.xlsb file so it's available to all spreadsheets.
If you want to explore the panel, please consider subscribing.